Hello friends, today we are going to learn techniques of data collection. TET exam STPGT Sociology subject. Here is 30 objective questions with answer MCQ. Techniques of data collection. What is the meaning of data collection? Data collection refers to the systematic process of gathering information from different sources to answer research questions, test hypotheses, and evaluate outcomes. What are their types? Primary data collection and secondary data collection. In case of primary data collection, data collected directly from the source, survey, interview, observation, and experiments. You may collect data through the process of survey, interview, observation, and experiment. In case of secondary data collection, data obtained from existing sources. It may be books, journals, government reports, online database, etc. What are the tactics? It follows observation, interview, questionnaires, survey, schedule method, case study, content document analysis, experiment. What is its importance? Ensures reliability, validity, and relevance of research findings. Now we are going to discuss 30 objective questions and answers. Question 1. What is data collection? Systematic gathering of information for research. So we can call systematic gathering of information from research. Question 2. Data collected directly from the respondent is called primary data. Question 3. Data taken from books and reports is called secondary data. Question 4. Which method uses face-to-face questioning? It is interview method. Question 5. Which method is cheapest for large sample? That is questionnaires and survey. Which method is suitable for illiterate respondents? It will be better schedule or interview. Question 7. Direct watching of behavior is called what? It is observation. Question 8. Which techniques study one unit deeply? That is case study. Using experiment to collect data is called experimental method. Using experiment to collect data is called experimental method. Question 10. Content analysis deals with documents, text, and media. Question 11. Census survey is an example of what? It is a schedule method of data collection. Question 12. Telephone interview is a type of what? It is an interview method. Question 13. Online Google Forms are a type of questionnaire survey. Question 14. Which techniques provide first-hand data, primary data collection? Question 15. Which method saves most time, secondary data collection? Participant observation means observes, joins the group studies. Participant observation means observer joins the group studies. 17. non-participant observation means observe watches without involvement. Question 18. An example of secondary data sources, that is census, reports and journals. Question 19. Which method may have interviewers are biased? Which method may have interviewer biased? That is interview method. Question 20. Which is the most flexible data collection method? That is interview. Question 21. Which method has the lowest response rate? Mailed questionnaires. Question 22. Case study is widely used in psychology and sociology. Question 23. Which technique is best of cases effect study, that is experimental method? Question 24. Document analysis is also called content analysis. Question 25. Observation keeps data that is natural and real time. Question 26. Which data type is most accurate, that is primary data? Question 27. Which data type is less costly, that is secondary data? Question 28. Which method allow cross-checking to answer, that is interview method? Question 29. Which method is prone to non-response error, that is questionnaires? Question 30. Data collection is essential for testing hypothesis and drawing conclusion. Question. Data collection is essential for answer, testing hypothesis and drawing conclusion. In conclusion, research design is the backbone of any scientific study. As a well-planned design ensures reliability, validity, and accuracy in result. It acts as a roadmap that guides researchers for problem identification to final reporting. Whether it is exploratory, descriptive or causal, choosing the right design is the key to success research. Remember, without a proper design, even the best idea may fail. So, design wisely and research meaningfully. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.